Welcome to the Ultimate Global Geography Contest! Today, we have 30 countries for you to identify across 3 increasingly difficult levels. Grab a notepad, keep track of your score, and let's see if you can reach Legend status, the Rookie tier. Round 1. This flag is green, white and red. They are famous for Introduction Pizza and the Leaning Tower. Which country is it? The answer is Italy. Next up, blue, white and red stripes, home to the Eiffel Tower and delicious croissants. Name it. The answer is France. Round 3, stars and stripes on the flag and the Statue of Liberty stands tall here. Too easy? The answer is USA. Land of the rising sun. This country loves sushi and is home to the beautiful Mount Fuji. The answer is Japan. A red flag with 5 gold stars. It's home to the longest wall in the world. Do you know it? The answer is China. Time for spice. This country is famous for tacos, sombreros, and the ancient Chichen Itza. The answer is Mexico. Look at the saffron and green. This nation is the home of the majestic Taj Mahal. What's the name? The answer is India. The Union Jack, known for fish and chips and the iconic Big Ben clock tower. Name this nation. The answer is UK. Green and yellow with a blue globe. It's the home of Carnival and the Christ the Redeemer statue. The answer is Brazil. The final one for level 1, located in Africa, famous for hummus and the Great Pyramids. The answer is Egypt. Level 2, the Explorer tier. Level 2 begins! Look at this map shape. It's a massive island and the home of the kangaroo. Which country? The answer is Australia. This huge northern nation is the world's largest producer of maple syrup. Can you guess it? The answer is Canada. The largest country in the world by land area. It's home to the colorful Red Square. Name it. The answer is Russia. Located in the heart of Europe, famous for high-speed autobahns and incredible engineering. The answer is Germany. A nation of thousands of islands and the historic birthplace of the Olympic Games. What is it? The answer is Greece. This country acts as a bridge between 2 continents and is famous for hot air balloons in Cappadocia. The answer is Turkey. On the Iberian Peninsula, famous for the art of flamenco dancing and delicious paella. Name this one. The answer is Spain. The map is shaped a bit like an elephant's head. It's known worldwide as the Land of Smiles. The answer is Thailand. Located at the very southern tip of its continent, the home of the legendary Nelson Mandela. The answer is South Africa. a landlocked, mountainous country famous for luxury watches and the world's best chocolate. The answer is Switzerland. Level 3. The Legend tier. Unscramble the letters. It's the only country with a non-rectangular flag. The answer is Nepal. Next, this is the longest country in the world from north to south. Did you get it? The answer is Chile. This is officially the smallest country in the entire world. Do you know the name? The answer is Vatican City. Listen closely. This nation is home to the world's oldest desert. Unscramble it. The answer is Namibia. It is famously known as the land of fire and ice. Can you solve it in time? The answer is Iceland. This unique Himalayan kingdom measures gross national happiness instead of GDP. The answer is Bhutan. Home to the breathtaking ancient stone city of Petra. What's the country? The answer is Jordan. This tiny Mediterranean nation has the highest density of millionaires on Earth. The answer is Monaco. This is the least densely populated country in the world. Can you unscramble it? The answer is Mongolia. The final challenge. It is the only African country that was never colonized. Did you win the contest? The answer is Ethiopia. That's the end of our 30 country contest. How many did you get right? If you got more than 25, you are officially a geography legend. Don't forget to comment your score below and subscribe for the next challenge. See you in the next video!